Here on lot 8 in Palermo Hills. So the lot is 1,400 square meters, so it's a third of an acre on paved road. So we see we are a bit higher on the road. So normally our access is on the bottom, stairs and parking on the bottom, and then the house will be on upper part of the seat. As an amazing view, you see San Juan Del Sur, the bay, the hills, north hills of town with the Jesus statue, emblematic of San Juan del Sur. We are on the paved road area, so it was a 5-minute drive to arrive where I am now. All years good. The area has no HOA, so nothing to pay per month, no one to deal with. It's I would say exceptional in this type of area. Construction might not be very easy here. We will have to make like retention wall behind us. So good lot, but might need bigger investments to build. After, I'm not an engineer, but it's what I will constate if I come here. I zoom a bit on the bay, hills on the crest. See you.